guys, look I bought these really cute magnets today. But I wonder, can I make a magnet of my own? Now let's try making an electromagnet today. Come with me. Let's start the experiment. How to make an electromagnet. The material required is one cell, a iron nail or a screw, one copper wire and a safety pin. Step 1. You have to wrap the copper wire around the iron nail. This is how I wrap the copper wire around the iron nail. But don't forget to leave the two ends of the wire for the connection with the cell. Step 3 is to connect the ends of the wire with the cell. This is how we have to connect the wires with the cell. So our electromagnet is ready now. Let's test this over the safety pin. Wow, it really worked. You make an electromagnet at your place and share your experience with me in the comments below. Watch more cool experiments like these on Takshila Learning, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye.